Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to delete blockchain accounts using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To delete your blockchain account from your mobile device, open up your blockchain application first. Make sure that you're logged into your blockchain account that you'd like to delete from your mobile device. Tap on the human icon located at the top left-hand corner. This will bring up the settings menu. Before deleting your blockchain account, make sure that you've withdrawn all of your funds that are left on your wallet. In order to do that, you can send your crypto to someone else, and from the settings menu, scroll down until you find an option that says delete account and give it a tap. If you want to delete your account, on the next page go through the information. Deleting your account means your trading and rewards account will be deleted as well, and you'll be logged out on all of the devices that you are logged in with blockchain. So tap on delete account if you are sure you'd like to delete at the bottom of the page, and now type in delete my account in the text box. Soon after you do that, tap delete account one more time and you have successfully deleted your blockchain account. Tap on OK, and as soon as you do that, you'll end up in this page. You can now stop using your wallet by tapping on forget wallet. Tap on forget wallet one more time in order to delete your information from your blockchain account. That's how you can easily get rid of your blockchain account from your mobile device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.